Ever wondered why your plastic part gets stuck in the mold or why your surface finish doesn't come out right? Welcome to UG Mold Tech. The answer might be in one small detail, draft angles. Today let's break down why draft angles are critical in plastic part design and how to get them right. A draft angle is the slight taper added to the vertical faces of a plastic part. It's usually just 1 to 2 degrees, but it plays a huge role. It prevents drag marks and sticking and reduces wear tear in the mold. When plastic cools and solidifies inside the mold, it shrinks slightly and grips the mold walls. If your walls are completely vertical or 90 degrees, the part may stick or worse, get damaged during ejection. If no draft, that part could stick, warp or even break. 1. Easier mold ejection. Draft allows the part to release smoothly from the mold. 2. Better surface finish. No drag marks, no scratches, just clean surfaces. 3. Less wear and tear on the mold. Less friction means longer tool life. 4. Improves cycle time and reduces rejection rates. That means better productivity and less scrap. It depends on the surface finish and part geometry. Surface type, recommended draft. Smooth 0.5 to 1 degrees per side. Light texture 1 to 1.5 degrees. Heavy texture 2 to 3 degrees plus. Deep draw parts 3-5 degrees or more. Tip: always use a draft analysis tool in your CAD software to check before you send for tooling. Add draft to all vertical walls. Use consistent draft where possible. Increase draft if you're applying texture. Avoid zero draft designs unless absolutely necessary, and expect trouble if you do. This simple demo shows the difference. The left part has no draft and it sticks. The right part has 2 draft and ejects like a breeze. So the next time you're designing a plastic part, remember, a little draft goes a long way. It saves time, protects your mold and ensures your product comes out perfect every time. Hit like, subscribe and comment if you've ever faced ejection issues in molding.